Welcome back to the channel. This is the monthly update on the new UniFi products released in February 2026 and the new ones coming in March. If you're new here, my name is Bogdan Shperny, founder of Apex One IT. We do networking and security. And if you need IT consulting or a custom UniFi solution, see the link in the video description. So first thing here that we've talked about before that's now released is the UNAS Pro 4 for $499. So this is like the UNAS Pro 8. It's just one U. You get two 10 gig SFP plus, 1 gig RJ45, and 2 slots here for NVMe slots for SSD cache. And it's also 400 millimeters in depth, which is something like 15, 16 inches. Okay, so keep that in mind, it's pretty deep. And you do get rack rails included in here. Okay, other than that, so if you're just looking for something smaller, this is a great way to go. And then we have these brush pass-through plates for single gain boxes. You can use low voltage box here as well. Although I'll tell you, when you run cables like this, sometimes those low voltage boxes, the things that protrude in there for the screws can get in the way of your Ethernet cable, so just keep that in mind. But it is $15, so 2-pack, so $750 for one. I mean, the main thing here is that it's paintable and also that the screws are not exposed. They kind of snap on a little cleaner design, and also doesn't have the UniFi logo here as opposed to their Keystone ones, just FYI. Then we have one more product and an accessory that were released here in February without any warning, and that's the UCG Industrial for $579. Now, why is it $579? Well, it's kind of like combining it has the specs of a cloud gateway fiber, so the UCG fiber, plus the new UDR 5G Max that's coming out, okay? Because what it has here is, as opposed to the fiber, it has Wi-Fi 7. It has no active cooling, meaning it doesn't have any fans, so you're not worried about dust getting anywhere, right? It's a real rugged design. It's Wi-Fi 7, 10 gig SFP plus, 10 gig RJ45 with PoE triple plus, and then an additional 4 2.5 gig ports. Now with this device as well, you can also run UniFi Protect, Talk, Access, because it has a micro SD slot here for storage to run that, store the footage, and also SIM card slots. So 2 SIM cards, and that's to be used with the UniFi 5G Max or 5G Outdoor, because it doesn't have the 5G antenna built in. It's just so you can access those SIM cards much easier than like an outdoor antenna. But it does have Wi-Fi 7 built in, like I mentioned, and also some pretty good accessories out of the box. So it has these 2 handles that are built in, but they kind of slide on and off. And so you can slide it off and have it, like a table stand design. You can also add antennas to it. If we look at what's in the box, you see the table stand is included, the additional antennas are included, and you can mount this on the wall under a desk like they show. So the idea is here, of course, that is industrial kind of robust settings. Supposedly you can power something like Starlink off of the PoE+++, and then also with the 5G antenna. Then you'll see here with this accessory, so that's the, for example, 5G Max Outdoor you can get, or this rack mount. So this is, if you do need to rack mount it like that, that's okay, kind of like for the Pro Max switch, if you've seen that before. But it's all included, the power supply is in there, right? So, and it also slides on in a nice way, just like the handles and the tabletop accessory. Okay, and that comes in at $59. And then finally, we have 5 devices coming out in March. And actually, I'm recording this already on March 2nd. Okay, so this U7 mesh technically is already out. So for $199, it is an upgrade to the U6 mesh, which is a little bit cheaper. But the form factor stays the same. So same small size, indoor, outdoor, a little bit higher outdoor rating. And it is, as you expect, Wi-Fi 7, but without 6 gigahertz. However, and 4 special streams instead of 6, so it supports a little bit less clients. But the idea that they're going here with is that they have also a omni antenna, but also a directional 5 gigahertz, so that you can link 2 of them more reliably and further away is the idea, right? So it does work, just like a regular access point. You can plug it in to your network switch, works fine. But in the box, you do have, again, a PoE injector to make this all work. But now the rings on here, it's not just a solid blue, it actually changes color so that you can align two of these mesh units in the best orientation to get the best signal, the best speed, right? So when you have both of them plugged in like this, for example, one's going back to a switch, right? Another one's meshing. And as you orient them, it can change from this kind of orange to green, indicating the best connection, or flashing red if it's disconnected. And then we have the AI multi-sensor 4. So I've mentioned this a lot. It kind of keeps getting pushed. So it was supposed to be last month, and now just let you know that it is slated for March. No specific price on this yet. But if you notice, they start adding these kind of 3D models to their products, and you kind of can get a nice, good look at this AI multi-sensor 4. Then we have the glass break sensor, which was, didn't have a date before, but now they actually put that slated, for this month of March. So we'll be on the lookout for that. Same idea here with the G6 Entry Pro. So we do have the G6 Entry Pro, no price yet. It does say March, so we will look for that. And finally, last one, so the UDR 5G Max for $499. So a little bit less than the UCG Industrial, but this one does have a 5G modem, 5G antenna. So the SIM nano slots here, right, is directly for the antenna that's built in. Very similar, you have the 10 gig SFP plus 2.5 gig ports. It's just the processing on here is a little bit lower than the Industrial. So you can only handle one 4K camera, I believe, with this one. Yeah, one 4K camera, 5 HD cameras. But there's Wi-Fi 7, built into it with 6 gigahertz as well. If this video was helpful to you, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to see next month's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.